There sure are a lot of mics on the market. Well, if you're looking for a condenser mic set, we're going to talk about this one, how it sounds, how to set it up in this video, coming right up. Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips, and thank you so much for joining me today to learn more about this condenser mic set by a company called InnoGear. Glad to connect with the company. They reached out to me to see if I'd be interested in putting it to the test, and that's what we're going to do today. Even though they sent it to me, I will give you my unbiased opinion. I'll also put a link in the description down below where you can get more information, more spec information if it makes sense. You can order it. So we'll go ahead, I'll show you what's included, I'll set it up, and then I will turn it on so you can hear how it sounds, and part of the video will be using the mic. As far as the packaging goes, this is a very basic package, but on the inside, it's well packaged in foam material. So it is an affordable mic. There's obviously really high quality mics, but if you're on a budget and looking to do some audio, then this might work, but looking forward again to seeing how it sounds. If you find this video of help, by the way, appreciate it. A thumbs up would greatly go a long way. And of course, if you're not subscribing, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So let's go ahead and talk about what's included. Obviously, you got the instructions. This is the UC016 microphone, and got a lot of good information here, how to set it up. And it does have the specs. So again, I'll put the spec information in the description, and of course when you click on the link, you'll be able to get that there. This is the mic. You got your connector down here. This is gonna go right into the computer. Then you got the pop filter, and so pop filter in some cases helps and some don't, so we'll do a test with and without it. Next up, we've got these tie wraps, which do help quite a bit. Then we have the clamp, which the arm is gonna go on, and that is here. And I have it, it's got a rubber band so it doesn't open up. And then next, we've got the windscreen. So there you go, got the windscreen there. Then we got the shock mount to lay the microphone in. And then last but not least, we've got the connector for going from the bottom of the mic to the USB connector on your computer. So yes, that's how you easily connect it to your microphone. I've got Windows 10, and it should just be plug and play. And again, we'll do audio once I get it set up. So let's go ahead and do that now. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up right here on my desk. So first thing that I wanna do is take the clamp. The clamp has got the feature here for clamping it to the bottom of your desk, and then this knob tightens the microphone from moving. So we're gonna go ahead, and there we go. So these really, it is nice to have one of these type mics where it just stays out of the way when you don't want to use it versus it sitting on your desk and taking up space. So if you are limited on space, then this is a great way to go. And obviously a lot of people that do podcasting, which is something I'm sure that you're thinking about, if you are looking at getting this microphone, one of the reasons why is for a podcast. All right, we're almost there. Gotta get a little bit more, and there we go. All right, perfect. So now we're gonna just go ahead and tighten it up, and there we go. All right, so next we're gonna go ahead and put the arm, the rubber band off, and we just wanna be careful it doesn't snap in your face. So we've got that there, very easy to put together. Then next up, we're gonna go ahead and we are gonna put the shock mount. We're gonna go ahead and just, this screws on like this. There we go. And then, by the way, this has got two areas that you could tighten. So you could tighten here for the shock mount. So how you want that to be, and then you can also tighten it for the arm. So if you don't want to have it as much movement for going up and down or direction you want it to be in, then you just place the microphone right there in the shock mount like that. And then you can adjust that accordingly. I think I put it in a little too tight. I don't think Oh, there is also, by the way, a knob over here which allows you to tighten that. And let me just make sure that didn't come loose. I think it did come loose. So it has these clamps that connect to this bungee cord. There we go. So they look like they may have come loose, but now I am clipping them on there, and perfect. So now it is, looks like it's on. Looks like it's crooked a little bit, but we'll have to work on that. And then I see we got the bungee for the top as well. There we go. There we go. Now we're in business. All right. Now next, we're gonna go ahead and we'll put the windscreen on. Got the windscreen, and then we'll put the pop filter on. You could do it one of two ways, and you could see it is flexible, so you could move it any direction you want. So you could put it on the top, or you could put it on the bottom. Either way, we'll put it, in this case, on the bottom. And let me go ahead and bend that around. And here we go. Let me just loosen this up. And now we'll tighten it. And again, you'll have to play with it a little bit. There we go. And I just gotta get this set up. This again just takes a little bit of getting used to setting up here. And we'll see how I can get this to stay. I know I got it to stay before. Here we go. There we go. You just have to turn that a little bit, but at least you get an idea what it takes to set it up, and I think it's gonna stay. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our USB connector, and we are going to run this wire. We'll put it into the mic, and there we go. Let's see here, there we go. And then what you're gonna wanna do, which really comes in handy, is to use the tie wrap like this. And it's nice because I was on my other one I had used I used tie wraps, different, inexpensive tie wraps, but these are nice ones that come with it. And there we go. I'll just go ahead and tie this on here. You can use one, you can use two, or you can use three, whatever you find that works best for you, but it does keep the wires nice and organized like that. And now you're good to go. So we'll just take you, as you can see, just a couple minutes getting used to how you want it set up. Again, you could set the pop filter where it comes from the top versus the bottom. I kind of like it this way. And then you can adjust your microphone as close as you want it to be, or as further out as you want it to be. And we'll do a test how it sounds both when it's close to your mouth as well as it's a little further away. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up on my computer now. And from the audio moving forward will be from my microphone. Okay, we're set up with the InnoGear microphone. It connected right when I connected to my Windows 10, got the notification, everything was all set up and we're good to go. So the audio that you're gonna hear moving forward will be unedited. So I really want you to get a good feel for the microphone. And my thoughts are, after doing some testing and listening to it for a little bit, I think for a budget microphone, it sounds pretty good, although it is picking up some of the background sound. And also, you can use Audacity to edit your audio. So for a budget microphone, I think it's not too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and step back here in a moment so you can hear the difference being close to the microphone versus not. I am, by the way, using Camtasia 2020 for recording the audio, and I also use it as my video editing software as well. It's easy to use, it's basic, so if you are looking for something that is more basic, although there are some features to it, then something to think about. But now let me go ahead and step back from the microphone. So now I'm a little further away, as you can see. Just wanted you to get an idea a little bit. Even most people are not going to be sitting this far away from a mic, but at least it gives you an idea. And again, this is with the pop filter on the microphone. If I just move it to the side a little bit, how does it sound with the microphone from the side versus being right in front of me like that? Now I'm going to go ahead and move the pop filter out of the way. So there you go. This is what it sounds like without the pop filter. I'm going to just step back just a little bit, and now moving a little closer. So there you go. Again, for a budgeted microphone, I think it's pretty decent value, depending upon what you're going to use it for. Maybe for gaming, or you're going to do some web conferencing conversation. It probably will work well. If you're going to really get into high quality sounding audios and videos, then think about the editing that you'll have to do there, and if this also might fit your needs. So I hope this video is of help to you. I appreciate the company sending me this microphone for me to put to the test, for me to share it with you, and hopefully this is of help. Appreciate your time. Thanks so much for joining me today. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.